What's up, YouTube? Today I'll be making a video on how to remove your floor carpet, and it should be pretty easy. Shouldn't be all that hard, and this can work on really any car. All you're gonna need to do is figure out the specifics for your car. So yeah, we're gonna get into it, and it should be pretty simple, like I said. Alright, the tools you're gonna need for this is your Phillips head screwdriver, a 10mm socket and a wrench, and an extension would make things a lot easier, but you don't have to. You will also need 10mm socket, and that should be it. So let's see. First thing you're gonna do is remove the seats. The seats are held in by 4 bolts. They're 14mm. 2 right here, 2 in the back, 1 right there, and 1 back there. And then on the bottom there's gonna be something to plug in your airbags and the seatbelt warning light. So you're gonna take both of your seats off, and then remove your the floor mats and all the stuff that you got right here. So I'll do that and get back to you guys in a little bit. Alright, so after you get the seats out, which were those 4 12mm bolts, and you disconnect this, it's the same thing on the other side. What you're gonna do is you're gonna take these off, which is just gonna show more of the carpet, just the end. You're gonna take this seat belt off, just this part. You don't need to take the whole thing off. Same thing as the other ones. You are gonna need to remove this, which is held in by a 10mm bolt down there. That should be pretty easy. This pops right out. You can get away with leaving this panel on. It's really not that hard. You just pull it when you're taking it out, and then push it in when you're putting the new carpet in. So there's that. This one's really dirty. I'm actually gonna be cleaning it right now after I make this video. So take this off, take that one off, this one, same thing on the other side. And you're gonna have to remove the center console. Center console has a screw right there. Same thing on the other side. You remove this little plastic right here, and then remove your shift knob. That's it. And then you can get away with just pulling this out and putting it somewhere else. And then in here in the center console, I have a bunch of stuff, but at the bottom there's gonna be 2 10mm bolts, and that's mostly everything that's holding this thing in. Also another 2 screws in here, just in there, and you should be able to tell once you take this off. This pops out, and yeah. Next thing, after that's off, you're gonna be able to see everything right there, the carpet, and then it's gonna have some clips. I don't know if you can see them. This one, just take a flathead screwdriver, pop them out. There's gonna be another one behind here, same thing on the other side. Then over here, these seats, they pop right out. You just push them up. That's all you're gonna do right there, and then you should be able to get them out. There might be some clips like the one that I showed you over there, but they're really easy to take off. Last thing is on the driver's side, which is just this footrest, which is held in by some screws. It has 4 screws. After you remove those, you can literally just pull the carpet, and it should pop right out. After you put it in, you just pop it right in, make sure it's in there really good. And yeah, same thing on this side. There's I believe a type of thing I don't know what the right word is, holding this carpet down. Same thing for these pop off. 10mm at the end. Pop this out. I'm not gonna be doing it because I already did it. I will include some pictures because it was really bad down here. But I did want to make the video to help someone out. Anyone really. If it helps one person, I'm happy with that. So this is going to be a quick summary. You're going to remove the seats that are held in by 4 12mm bolts. Remove the harness. Should have 1 or 2 or maybe even more. Same thing on the other side. You remove that part of the seat belt, which is just 1 screw. If it has a cap, you just pop it out. You're gonna remove these that just come off. They got some little clips holding them in. 10mm for that one. Same on the other side. Then you come to the center console. There's gonna be 2 10mm bolts at the end, at the very bottom. And then actually there might be another screw right there. There might be, might not be, but there's that. And then screws. Remove this, your shift knob. You can put this to the side. There's gonna be a little clip, kind of like these, for the airbags and stuff. You remove that. You can put this to the side, and of course, like I said, there's gonna be 2 screws, and then this should just come out. Once that comes out, and everything else on the sides is taken off. Also, these seats, you just pull them up, like I said. You should be able to remove the carpet. It should be really easy. If I did it, anyone else can do it because I had no clue how to do it. But it's really easy. So, if it helps someone, consider subscribing. I know I'm not doing it. That's kind of the whole point of the video. But I already did it and I didn't film it. But I still wanted to help anyone. If it helps, consider subscribing, and thank you for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments.